morning. Today we'll see a question from paper 1 of Advanced 2022 IIT का Advanced 2022 chemistry paper देखेंगे. So this question is from P block elements and some basic concepts. The question is, dissolving 1.24 grams of white phosphorus in boiling with NaOH solution in inert atmosphere gives a gas Q. The amount of copper sulfate in grams required to complete consume the gas Q is. Atomic masses of some elements are given here. So this question is directly from inorganic based question say, and we have got two reactions related to this. The first reaction, I'll write the first one, P4. So that is phosphorus, white phosphorus P4 when reacts with NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, in presence of water, H2O के presence में react करके, it is a disproportionate reaction where phosphine is formed plus sodium hypophosphite is formed. NaH2PO2 is formed. Let us balance this reaction. We come up 3, 3 and 3. This is the reaction here. First reaction. And here the PH3 is the gas which has got rotten fish smell. और इसका smell कैसे होगा? Fish का smell होगा. This is the gas he is talking about, the Q. The gas released is the Q. Later we have to react the Q, that is PH3 का reaction. किसके साथ करना है? We have to do it with the copper sulfate. So this reaction is also given in the NCERT. When phosphine gas reacts with the copper sulfate, so the first compound formed is the copper phosphide is formed, that is Cu3P2 is formed, and the sulfuric acid is formed. Let us balance the reaction. We have 2 phosphorus here. Let us take 2 here and 3 here. If this is the case, sulfurs are 3 on both sides now. So with this, now we relate the moles and we solve for the Q, consumption of this. Here I can see that 1 mole of P4 gives 1 mole of PH3. Here the ratio is 1:1. But here 1 mole of PH, 2 moles of PH3 is reacting with 3 moles of copper sulfate. Right? So what I can say right here, 1 mole PO4 equals to 1 mole PH3. Again 2 moles PH3 equals to 3 moles copper sulfate. So this is the mole analysis. Here the mass of white phosphorus is given. This is 0.124 grams. 0.124 grams कितना हो जाएगा? 1.24 divided by 31 into 4. So this turns out to be 0.01. What I can say here, so 2 moles required 3 moles of copper sulfate. 2 moles react with 3 moles of copper sulfate and 0.01 mole react with how much? So this is equals to 3, this is equal to 3 by 2 into 0.01. This is 1.5. So I can write it as 15 into 10 power minus 3 moles. So in this reaction, 15 into 10 power minus 3 moles of copper sulfate is used up. So these are the moles है, इसको mass में convert करना है. So mass of copper sulfate equal to moles multiplied by molar mass. So moles 15 into 10 power minus 3 multiplied by 159 आएंगे. इसका मोलर मास, कॉपर सल्फेट का मोलर मास 159 है. So 10 power minus 3 भी है. So this turns out to be 2385 into 10 power minus 3. So that is equal to 2.385 grams. Right. So this is the final answer of the question. Right. So here 1.24 grams of white phosphorus reacts with NaOH and gives 0.01 mole of PH4, which reacts with copper sulfate and produces this. So ये advanced का question है. If you remember the equations, these two, if you know these two reactions, this question is the easiest one. Otherwise, it is toughest one. Thank you.